Hello! Today we'll be learning how to delineate area of interest in Google Earth and bringing it to ArcGIS. So let's get started. Okay, so this is our Google Earth now, and we're going to select the Add Polygon tool. So before we do that, let's zoom in a little bit. So what I want us to do today is to delineate Uyo Metropolis. Yeah. So this is Uyo Metropolis. So what we're going to do, we're going to choose the Add Polygon and we're going to draw over the metropolis. So just watch. Okay, so this is our last point. We double click to end, and what we're going to do, we're going to give it the name here. So this is your metropolis, and that's the name of the polygon. So the next thing now, we're going to save our work, right? Let's save the place, and okay, so you find your folder where you want to save it. Now the work is saved. So having saved our work, now let's move to our ArcGIS desktop. So one way we bring in our Google Earth file, it is saved in Kml. We need to do some conversion. Now we move straight to our ArcGIS toolbox. Remember, if you don't have it here, it is always here, Arc Toolbox. But I have it here for easy access. So we are going to go to the conversion tools, and we are going to notice we have Kml here from Kml. This is where we're going to convert it to layer format. Okay, so you double click on it. Now here we are going to locate the Kml file, and you have to look for where you saved it, right? So this is it on my system, and while we wait for it to load. All right, it's loaded. Now we're going to choose where we want it to stay. Okay, let me connect the folder I'm working with. So let's OK it. So it's running in the background. Here we go. Now it is not showing, probably because the color is white. So let's change the fill color, or let's keep it at white, but let's change the outline color to black, and also let's increase the outline width to 2. Wow, we have our polygon out here. Let's compare it to what we had in the Google Earth. All right, this is what we have, and this is what we have. So if you want to check if you want to add a base map to see if it fitted in properly, you just do what I'm doing, and let's select imagery. So we wait for it to load. All right, so what we have here is the same thing we have here, right? So it fitted perfectly. So we can undo this now. Now I like to export my work in real shapefile format. All right. So what you do is click on polygons and export. I want to export it as hold on. So I want to save it here as your Metropolis shapefile. Okay, these are okay. Let me call it 2. So I want to find my folder now, and here we are. It's a shapefile I want to save it as. So let me call it your so let me call it your Metropolis 2. I think that's fine. All right, so we will have our map exported and added to the layer. So I can actually do away with this because I don't like this. So we have our shapefile here. So let's see what's in the attribute table. Wow, okay. All right, the shape area and length and all. You know, you can calculate the area, the hectare, the perimeter, and all, and everything you want to calculate right now. So this is it, how to delineate your area of interest in Google Earth and bringing it to ArcGIS. Thank you.